Live. This is the Beck Scrum and Pair Hookup. And Matt, this is Faith. Faith, what's up?
I attended the Rails 5 TDD mob, and that went well. And I'm planning to pair with you after this on the CS course. And then there's on the Run Fact project, there's this PR Sigo had worked on, but he was asked to make some changes, but he didn't. So just some change of lines of code. So it's a simple thing. I'm also planning to correct on that because I saw Federico had given some insights on the changes to be made. So it's a small change, something I'm planning to do next. Yeah, in preparation for tomorrow's call.
Yep, the regular meeting. Any blockers?
Not for now.
Cool.
I'm good.
Yeah, I went to the TDD Rails 5 TDD mob as well, and that was really good. We got some passing tests, so that's always good. And then I've been doing some work on the Championeer 1, where I made a couple pull requests, and then I'm starting on the next, I think. Yeah, actually one of my what I pushed up to the branch failed because I added for it to run this thing called Credo. I think I've told you about Credo before, which is like a Rubocop. And there's one error that in Elixir and Phoenix, they want you to put some documentation at the top of each module that you define, so that it can help you to understand what the module is designed to do, and for other programmers, collaborators to understand as well. And so it's failing because of that. But for now,
so because you didn't put that documentation.
Yeah, exactly. So you can actually pass in module doc false, and that'll pass the test. But I guess there are some applications for why you wouldn't want to actually provide documentation. Maybe if it's really simple or really obvious. But yeah, so I'm gonna pass in false and send it up so it passes the build, and then I'm gonna put in the pull request for that one, and then start on the getting Heroku, a staging environment on Heroku set up for that. And yeah, I don't have any blockers at the moment. But yeah, it helps when I run into questions to have the Slack to be able to go there and talk to some people on the channel and try to find out information.
Okay. That's good to hear.
Yeah, I think that's the Scrum.
Okay.
And since you are gonna stop the broadcast, and we can talk about the pair program. Yeah.
But I have to go for dinner like the next 20 minutes, so we could just
cool.
after.
Yeah, right. Exactly. I'm gonna finish mine.
Oh, I have a question. The module that falls, do you do that in the configuration file or?
No, I can actually show you.
Yeah. And if that's the case, then is setting that up, like, will that mean that all the files that require that documentation might not complain when you don't put a documentation?
So can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So it's in the actual module itself, So it's different, I guess, than Ruby, because Ruby, you just say module, right? But this, you have to define the module, then you have the do block, and then here at the top, they want to have this module doc that then you fill in with what this module actually does. Which, yeah, I think this is the this is a module that's created when you create a new Phoenix project. But if you run mix credo, which is like the Rubocop, it'll complain. Well, now it's saying that I need to use module doc false if a module will not be documented. But if I remove this line here, for example, and save it, and then run it again. And it's saying, you know, can you see this message here? Hello?
Yeah, I can see it. Sorry, I was on mute.
The module doc should have a module doc tag, you know?
Okay. Yeah.
Then,
I'm curious to know how the fourth would look like.
Yep. I don't know exactly if it's so if I start typing in module doc, it comes up with these from this is from a package I have called IDE Elixir. And if I just hit tab, then it'll automatically add it like this. So I haven't seen whether if I just add false like this and then remove this. I think it's like that. And then let's see if it'll pass. Yeah, so then it'll pass. But if I run this, for example, in strict mode, then it'll come up with a lot of some different things, like, for example, with the line length that we're familiar with in Rubocop, trailing white space. So some of these I should probably fix as well, you know. But then it also has some software design, like options or advice. Talking about nested modules, could be aliased at the top of the invoking module. So yeah, I don't know. This is kind of cool to be able to learn what the conventions are, you know.
Okay.
So, but for right now, we're running it without the strict tag and just running this. So we can see actually if you have a second before you then do the status, add everything. Yet. Push. And then if I come over here to add a CI, see, you can see here it failed, and it actually printed out like code readability, and then the error, or the issue, I guess is what they're calling it, readability issue. And then it exited with a 4, which means it failed the build, you know. So then if I come here, I'm not sure, I don't remember how long this took. I don't know if it'll be quick or not, but without doing that, I guess I could come over here and let you have a look at this module. Yeah, this is kind of new. I don't know really exactly what this stuff is doing, but this is created like oh yeah, I was gonna show you. I had another I have a sandbox that I created. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good point. Oh yeah, you can see it fast.
Oh wow, nice.
And this, so just real quick, and then we'll wrap up this Scrum after Scrum. Is that this is just a new Phoenix project that I created just to try to play around with, and this was automatically created when you create a new Phoenix project. So I don't know exactly.
So it's like when you run a Rails new kind of version.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay. All right. So and stop the video, and I'll see you soon.
Okay, that was great. Bye-bye.
Bye.